Hey, how's it going, you guys? I'm back. Happy New Year, happy 2020. I know we're already in the second month. You know what? Sometimes life happens, but hey, I'm back at it making videos again. I have an unboxing prepared for us today of our Ipsy Glam Bag. I'm just kind of curious to see what Ipsy has in store for us for this, the month of love, February. I hope everyone had an awesome Valentine's Day. Let's just dive back into it. What do you guys say? Forever the battle, forever the battle. Battle ain't ever gonna change. It's 2020. Whoa! Oh my gosh. Wow, I didn't expect it to look like this because it feels so soft. When I stuck my hand in there, I thought it was like petting a rabbit or something. Wow, look at that. Okay, this is nice. You know, they're so cool because Ipsy comes up with all these different, think about how many different types of bags they have. Every month they have something new, which is so fun. Wow, so this is like fuzzy and soft. And I did feel something else in the mail parcel, which probably doesn't fit in this bag. So let's go ahead and see what that was. Ooh, looks like a nice little makeup brush. Oh, you know what? It is Royal and Langnickel. I could see that from, they have a distinct pattern. I have one of their eyeshadow brushes that looks literally like a miniature version of this almost. I love it for getting that outer corner. But this looks like an interesting one. I wonder what exactly this is. It's kind of narrow, and I guess you can use it for a couple different applications like highlighter, maybe even blush, contour. But let's see what they want us to use this for. So let's see what the card says on the inside of our bag. Dive in. Feel the love. You know it's all about love this month. Smells synthetic. Says what all there is in this here bag. So this is a Moda Pro Accentuate brush. So that's what it is, a fluffy highlighter. Cool. I can see it's like a precision type thing. So maybe if you don't want to have a full sweep of glow, maybe you want something subtle. I like that. This is like, really you can get in there. It says that applying is easier. It's the perfect size for precisely applying highlighter anywhere you want. And pro quality bristles are like a dream and won't shed or separate, which is awesome. No one wants those little hair fibers everywhere. That's always annoying. Oh, and it also has a little side note that this can also be used for setting powder under your eyes. Most brushes in general, you can always use them for other applications, obviously. So if ever you want to have precision anything, I just love how it tapers and it just has that point there. So you really can do a lot with this, I think. But it's intended for a little highlighting, precision highlighting. Nice. What? Is this new? Has Ipsy always done this? This has always been an ongoing problem with me and Ipsy. But it looks like even the Ipsy Glam Bag now includes prices, which is really awesome. So this says full-size value for $7.99. Ipsy, I like that. You listen to customer feedback. At least that's what I'm thinking that stemmed from. And that is positive. That is a positive thing. Cool. So I'm excited about our first item. Let's dive into what else is in here. I'm gonna just shuffle. Okay, so we got Sex Kitten by Tarte. I can't handle this. It's a little kitty cat head. It's a little kitty cat head. I can't handle it. Where's my cat? I gotta get my cat after this. I gotta show her. Kitty. First, let me tell you, she's literally been staked up in the kitchen for like all day because she hears a mouse. I think there's a mouse and she knows it. Anyway, hey Kitten, check this out. Oh man, you got heavy, little one. Look at it. It's you. It's you. See, this is how you gotta entice her. Don't you just love an orange rose? Apparently it means like long-lasting passionate love or something along those lines. Okay, but seriously, you guys, it's a tiny kitten. It's a tiny kitten head. I can't get over that. So I think this is an eyeliner, right? The Sex Kitten eyeliner. Ah, beautiful, look at that. I love, love, love a liquid eyeliner. I don't like a pencil one. I really just don't. I try to, but I don't. I mean, yes, there are some really good creamy ones, but I don't know. I just don't like a pencil one. So here we go. Let's try this. Oh, it's like a dream. Jet black. Beautiful, beautiful. gets the job done. I love it. Applicator is a nice little felt brush tip. Yeah, look at that. Oh, beautiful, dark, dark, dark as can be. That's a good item. And now we can see how much it is. Tarte Sex Kitten Liquid Liner in black. The value of full-size version of this product is $20. Oh, you know what? It still just says the full value. So this is a deluxe sample. This is not the full size. Full size it says that is $20, but I'm pretty sure, if I remember correctly, old Ipsy cards didn't even have that information, if I'm not mistaken. So at least it's kind of giving you an idea of what the price would be, which is pretty nifty. You know, small things like this, if you just add this little detail, it really just makes it more appealing. It just shows that the company cares about aesthetics of their products. No one wants some plain little thing. These are cutesy little things that I appreciate, that they take that extra step and do those things for us. What we got next? I see TULA Skincare Probiotics and Superfoods. I don't think this is edible. The Cult Classic Purifying Face Cleanser. I love it. Look at that. You can always pop it in your bag and go. So cult favorite, geez. Fold again. Ooh, sticky. It was like a shoo. You know me, I gotta mess with it. Woo. Yeah, that is some sticky. Oh, but then when I touch it, it's not that sticky. Interesting. Wow. Oh, and that Sex Kitten came off nicely with a little oilless wipe I have here. I've been using these lately. The Equate sensitive ones. I noticed the Neutrogenas. I used to love Neutrogena. I haven't tried those sensitive ones. I think they have some sensitive ones now. But the other ones, the blue packet, it would always mess with my contacts. Like they would, I don't know, it felt like it would stay on my eyes. But these have been pretty good so far. Anyway, back to our cleanser. Let's see what the card says about it. It's the TULA Cult Classic Purifying Face Cleanser. And it's your go-to cold weather cleanser. Oh, okay. So it's a refreshing gel. Yeah, it's totally a gel, and it gets rid of dirt and makeup without stripping the skin of moisture. Perfect for winter. Oh, chicory root. So maybe that's what gives it that consistency. It says it has turmeric root in it, which is kind of funny because it's not yellow or anything, but that's cool that they have that in there. And probiotics to hydrate. And you just use it like a normal cleanser. Awesome. That's nifty. I always love a nice, clean, seems pretty natural cleanser. That's always good. You don't ever want to put harsh stuff on your face. This is a deluxe sample, but a full-size sample, which is 200 ml, would be $28. That is nice. City Limits Lush Eyeshadow. Oh, we got a single eyeshadow here by IBY Beauty. Lush Eyeshadow in Headliner. Oh, it's just the tiniest little... God, it's so tiny. Look at this. Whee. And it's so thin. Oh, okay, cool. It's like a little bit of a mauve-ish, more purplish, sparkly. Nice. All right. Let's feel this guy. Ooh, creamy. Creamy. Oh, wow. I like that. That's a good color. So it's got a little bit of shine to it, and it's creamy. I like that. I think that this is probably going to be pretty blendable. Yeah, it looks very blendable. Wipes off easily. And it says, this good for you skin eyeshadow is a perfect way to show your lid some love. Okay, I'm intrigued. The velvety metallic raisin color is infused with rose hip seed oil, so that's why it has that creamy texture to help nourish and protect your lids. Okay, so yeah, that's what my next question would be. Does that mean that it will crease easily? But it says here that it's crease free, long wearing, and it's vegan and free of talc, which is always good. So this is a deluxe sample, but the full size of this would be 20 bucks. It really does feel nice and creamy, and a little went a long way, which is always good. Highly pigmented. Okay, let's check out our last item we've got in our Ipsy Glam bag. Ooh, what is this? Matte Lip Paint Red Sea Colored Raine. May your lipstick game always be fierce. Okay, I don't know if I've ever heard of Colored Raine. I've never heard of that brand. But yes, it's matte lipstick in the color Red Sea. Uh-oh. I don't know about this color. It doesn't look like a Red Sea. Oh, okay. I spoke too soon. It was just the outside packaging. Okay, so it's a nice dark color. Ooh wee, this is a dark color, huh? Let's swatch this guy. Whoa! That's a night out, you know? That is a night out color. Alright. So it's saying deep red lips can be tricky, which is so true because they can feather and fade. And this beautiful maroon liquid lipstick gives you the boldness with none of the hassle. Whoa, bold. That in itself is a bold statement. And so this is actually a sample, deluxe sample. Full size of this is retails at $17. It's been enough time. Why don't we just see together what this looks like? Well, the thing is, maybe I didn't give it enough time, but geez Louise, this is pigmented. Alright, sorry. Okay, to be fair, that swatch was huge. I really laid it on there. But I will say, rubbing it around my finger, it doesn't feel dry. It really doesn't. It feels smooth, like satiny. It's interesting. So honestly, I could see how this would be nice. Ooh, and it will stay. Geez, this little cloth is having trouble getting it off. So I mean, that's a plus. That's a good thing. Get off! My fingers look like I've been eating hot Cheetos now. Okay, so here we go. We got our 5 items here that we've gotten from Ipsy. I'd say it's a pretty good haul. It landed right on my toe, man. Not my toe man. There's not a toe man down there. Our 5 items here. I like the variety. You know, there's pretty cool stuff in here. I'd say it's a well-balanced little bag. You know, I love Ipsy. They've upped their price to 12 bucks, but they still have like really cool products in here. I'm excited. I like all these things. Tell me what you guys think about these products that we got this time. Alright, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out and seeing what I got in my bag, and I will catch you guys another time. See ya! Wow, 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 wow. I don't know. That wampa pow made me think of the pow, you know what I mean?